everyone, welcome to my channel Glow Naturally. Are you excited to try your hand at making your own lipstick? You probably already have the ingredients you need at home. Making lipstick yourself cuts down on makeup costs and allows you to create a rainbow of custom colors that you will never see another person wearing. If you are tired of hunting for that perfect shade of lipstick, it's time you tried your hand at making it yourself. You can now bid farewell to all the toxic chemicals that you find in store-bought lipsticks. With a bunch of ingredients that you can easily find in your kitchen, this is an inexpensive way to expand your lip color collection. Why homemade lipstick? Wondering why you would take the time and trouble to make your own natural makeup? Surprisingly, conventional lipstick can be a source of harmful chemicals, and since it is used on the skin, that is lips, and near the mouth, these chemicals can be easily absorbed. These homemade lipstick variations let you create a personalized lipstick color that is chemical-free and inexpensive to make. Also, homemade just means more. Give this as an inexpensive but thoughtful gift as holidays or birthdays that friends and families are sure to enjoy. Want to know how to make your own lipstick? Here is the 5 easy steps of process of natural DIY lipstick recipes that you give the freedom to create your own custom shades with ingredients that are good for your pout. Step 1. Get lipstick base supplies. The lipstick base makes up the majority of the substance, and you customize it by adding pigments. The ingredients you use to make your lipstick base can be tweaked to make the lipstick more glossy, matte, or balm-like. Here's what you need. 1 teaspoon, that is 5 ml, of beeswax or beeswax beads. You can find beeswax at craft supply stores. 1 teaspoon 5 ml shea butter, mango butter, almond butter, or avocado butter. This helps the lipstick roll on smoothly. 1 teaspoon, that is 5 ml, oil such as almond oil, extra virgin olive oil, or jojoba oil, or oil of soy. Step 2. Choose a lipstick color. Now that you have got your base supplies, the next step is to pick out a color. There are many natural substances that can be used to create a variety of red, pink, brown, and orange hues. Remember that this lipstick recipe is natural, so the colors will look subtle and earth tone. Consider these options. For a bright red lipstick, use beetroot powder or crushed beet chips. Cinnamon can be used to achieve a brown color. Turmeric can be mixed with other powders to make the shade more coppery. Cocoa powder gives lipstick of nude shade. A more matte texture, half teaspoon bentonite clay. Use this with a color so it does not leave a wild tint on the lips. Step 3. Melt the base ingredients together. Put the lipstick base ingredients in a microwave-safe bowl. Place it in the microwave and heat the ingredients in 30 seconds increments until they are melted. Stir the ingredients well to make sure they are thoroughly incorporated. Note that you can also melt the ingredients in a double boiler. Heat roughly 2 inches or 5 centimeters of water in a large saucepan over medium-high heat. Then add the ingredients to a smaller pan sitting inside the first. Stir and heat until everything melts and blends together. Step 4. Mix in the color. Now comes the fun part. Add 1/8 to 1/4 teaspoon of the natural powder you want to use. Mix in more powder for a more saturated result. Start the powder into the base mixture and continue adding more in small increments until you are satisfied with the color. Step 5. Pour the mixture into a container You can use an old lipstick or chapstick tube, a small cosmetics pot, or any container with a lid as a container for your new lipstick. Let the lipstick harden at room temperature or in the refrigerator before you use it. Pro tip: you can also add some shimmer to this recipe if you want to create your own glitter lipstick. So that was our homemade DIY lipstick recipe. The formulas in this DIY lipstick recipe is full of wholesome ingredients that will leave your lips feeling moisturized and hydrated from within. Are you excited to try out this recipe? Let me know in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please do like this video and share it with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon in order to get updates of all my new upcoming interesting videos. See you all in my next video.